you have invested in skincare and you've been consistent with your skincare routine and your skin still isn't clearing up, then this video is for you. Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is iJay, and on this channel I create videos on beauty, skincare, wellness and lifestyle. And in this particular video I'm going to be talking about an important reason why your skin isn't clearing up. So if this is a video that you're interested in, then please make sure you're liking this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and keep watching. Now, I've had a couple of people reach out to me both in my video comments and on Instagram DMs telling me that they've invested so much money in skincare products and they've been consistent with their skincare routine and they've not seen any change and their skin isn't clearing up. There are different reasons why your skin isn't clearing up, and there are so many factors that could be counteracting your efforts, and they are mostly lifestyle factors, which I'll be talking about at the end of this video. But mainly for this video I'm going to be talking about one particular mistake that a lot of beginners make when they start their skincare journey, and this could be the reason why your skin isn't clearing up. It's a no-brainer that for you to achieve a clear and even skin, you have to treat acne, breakouts, dark spots, hyperpigmentation and your textured skin. And the mistake that most people make, especially as beginners, is trying to treat them all at once, and that is definitely not how to go about it, because as a beginner, using different skincare acids and different skincare treatments all at once can overwhelm your skin and in worst cases worsen your problems. So in this case, I highly suggest that you focus on treating one skin problem at a time. Now, what I'm trying to say is that if you have acne, breakouts, oily skin, large pores, dark spots, hyperpigmentation and textured skin, instead of you trying to fix them all at once, start by focusing on one problem at a time. Start from the root cause, which is in most cases treating your acne and breakouts. Now, there are three major causes of acne breakouts, which are your hormones, and this is related to your digestive system and your gut health. I'll be talking about gut health in a subsequent video. I'll be talking about how I improved my gut health and that really helped to clear my skin. The other two causes of acne breakouts are clogged pores and bacterial infection. When oils from your oil glands mix with dead skin cells or debris, they can clog your pores, causing you to break out and have acne. That's how you have acne or breakouts with clogged pores. And also, when bacteria infects your pores or an inflamed part of your skin, it can also cause you to break out and have acne. So those are the three major causes of acne breakouts. And when it comes to acne breakouts caused by clogged pores, the best way to treat that is by using salicylic acid. It's a very good skincare ingredient that can help you exfoliate your skin, unclog your pores and prevent any form of acne breakouts. On the other hand, when it comes to preventing acne breakouts caused by bacterial infection, the best skincare product to use is something like benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is an amazing skincare treatment that can help kill any acne causing bacteria in your pores. If you're having a lot of acne breakouts and you want to start your skincare journey to clear your skin, you can first start by treating your acne and focus on using products like salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. These products are going to minimize the rate at which you break out. They are not going to stop you from having acne or breakouts completely. That's what most people don't get. You feel like when you use this skincare ingredients or this skincare products, you don't have acne or breakouts anymore. That's not true. They are going to minimize the rate at which you break out and keep your acne at bay. They are going to help prevent acne, basically. That doesn't mean that you're not going to have any breakouts. Like, I've been using salicylic acid for almost a year. It has cleared my skin tremendously if you watch my previous videos, but it doesn't mean that I still don't have breakouts or acne once in a while. So these things are going to help improve the quality of your skin by treating and preventing acne breakouts. With salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide, you can also add niacinamide, especially if you're oily skin. Now, niacinamide is going to help tighten your pores and also control sebum production, which is going to minimize the rate at which your oil glands produce oil, because oil production is another reason why we break out and have acne, and that is also linked to our hormones as well. So if you have oily skin, you might as well incorporate niacinamide into your skincare routine, including salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide, and focus on treating your acne breakouts first. Now, when you've succeeded in clearing your acne or minimizing the rate at which you have acne or breakouts, you can now focus on clearing your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And you can do that using glycolic acid if you have oily skin. But if you have dry skin, I highly suggest that you use mandelic acid or lactic acid. These products are basically chemical exfoliants, and they help to exfoliate dead skin cells off the surface of your skin. That way, it minimizes the appearance of your dark spots and hyperpigmentation and allows new skin cells to regenerate. That way, you have a glowing, radiant, and even skin tone. So when you get to the stage of clearing your dark spots and hyperpigmentation, you can focus on either using glycolic acid, lactic acid, or mandelic acid, which are also known as alpha hydroxy acids. And then after being able to minimize the appearance of your dark spots and your hyperpigmentation, you can now focus on improving the texture and appearance of your skin. And you can do that using any form of vitamin A, and I'm talking about retinoids, and I'm talking about your retinol, your tretinoin. Now, tretinoin, on the other hand, is a prescription medication, meaning it should be prescribed for you to use by a professional, either a dermatologist or a licensed medical esthetician. In some countries, you only get tretinoin with prescription, but here in Nigeria you can get tretinoin over the counter even without a prescription. But I highly suggest that you do not do that. If you live in Nigeria, before you go over the counter to get tretinoin, please make sure you're consulting a professional. So by following these steps, this way you slowly introduce these skincare products to your skin, because your skin is foreign to these products. You've not used them before, you're a beginner, you're just starting your skincare journey, so you need to slowly introduce these skincare ingredients to your skin. That way your skin easily and gradually adapts to you using these skincare products. When you use them all at once, you're going to overwhelm your skin and it will worsen your situation. And one major thing to keep in mind is that focusing on addressing one skin problem at a time can take a while. It can take anywhere from 2 months to 3 months. You really have to be patient with your own process and be consistent with your skincare routine. Consistency and patience is the key to achieving a flawless looking skin. You have to be patient and be consistent. There are no two ways about it. If you try to rush it, you're going to damage your skin. So you just have to be patient with your process and do things gradually. And you realize that when you get to the stage of using vitamin A, you can definitely see a clear difference in your skin, in the appearance of your skin. You see your skin looking a lot more smoother, minimize acne breakouts, the texture of your skin improved, the rate at which your skin produces oil has reduced if you have oily skin. You literally see your skin improve when you do things gradually. In all this process, it's very important for you to wear your sunscreen. Please do not forget to wear your SPF, specifically because you're using skincare acids and skincare treatments. So by using those, you don't want to skip your sunscreen. With all that being said, if you follow these gradual steps and you're consistent and doing things the correct way, and you still do not see any results or see your skin improving, there are other lifestyle factors that could be counteracting your efforts, and these are your diet. You really want to focus on the type of foods you eat. You want to prioritize fruits, veggies, fiber and protein over processed food and processed sugar. You also want to make sure that you're not using your beddings for too long, and I'm talking about your bed sheets and your pillowcases. You want to change them at least once a week. I highly recommend changing them at least once a week. Some people do recommend 2 weeks, but don't keep using dirty pillowcases and bed sheets. Those things harbor bacteria and they can cause you to have acne and breakouts despite your efforts. You also want to get in the habit of sanitizing your phones. Yes, your phone cases and your phone screens, they are very dirty and they harbor a lot of germs and bacteria. Please, you want to sanitize your phone, because hold on, you have your phone screen on your cheek, your hands are always on your phone. You drop your phone, you put your hand on your face. All those things can transfer bacteria because our phones harbor a lot of germs and bacteria that we don't know about. So get in the habit of sanitizing your phone by wiping it down frequently. So yeah, you want to also pay attention to your towels. Try not to use your body towels on your face because your towels harbor bacteria as well. So all these little hygiene changes are really what you want to look into if you are putting in effort and you're still not seeing any results. You want to look into your hygiene, you want to look into your lifestyle. And with all that being said, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. They are always linked in the description below, and don't forget to share this video because somebody might need it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.